Okay, so in this video, we are actually going to be talking about our inverse trig derivatives, and we are actually going to solve for the sine inverse derivative, or arc sine. I'm only going to be solving for this one. In the next video, I'll just show you the rest of them. But we can see here that we can rewrite this as x equals sine of y. Since we know that it is a inverse function, we can just swap our x and y, and then we can just solve this implicitly. So we get that 1 equals y prime cosine of x, and then we can just use algebra to get that y prime equals 1 over cosine of y. Sorry, there should be a y here. That's my fault. Y. This is a y. Okay, and now what we can actually do is say we get over here that sine y is equal to x over 1. X over 1 is the same as x. We can show that this is the same as our opposite over our hypotenuse. If we have angle y, our opposite is x, our hypotenuse is 1, then that means our adjacent side is 1 minus x squared. You can figure that out just using the Pythagorean theorem. And now we can actually figure out what our cosine is due to this, and we get that our cosine is just this this adjacent divided by our hypotenuse. Obviously, if you divide it by 1, it's just going to be the same. So our cosine is just this, which shows that our y prime is equal to the square root of 1 minus x squared, which shows us that if this is y, then the derivative of that is going to be this. So it shows that the derivative of the inverse sine function is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared.